Memphis to put my old baby down. Despair was all around me.
Hey, what up, everybody? It's Dora. We're gonna go rob our abuela. Let's go. Okay, first we're gonna go rob abuela. We're gonna get her dog because you know those chihuahuas in Mexico. They worth all them. We're gonna go get some bang. You know what I'm saying?
He said, I can't take you to heaven. I can't save your soul. I can't promise forever. Hey, yeah, save my soul. Save my soul.
Okay, let's go in. The dog ain't in here. Get her! We need that gas money. You got her! Get out of here, go! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yeah! Yeah! We got some gas money. We got this dog. I don't know what to say. She's biting me out.